held by or hosted by also Vice President for Research and Community Engagement. And we are just constructing to learn restoring structure, biophysical structure. Why? Because biophysical, this material is just dead material, which is just ecology, which is used to just construct the check dam, or either to prevent this water incoming or structure that is prevents the soil erosion, the land is lost by erosion. So we construct this structure to prevent the land lost by what you call area, what you call by surface runoff coming here, and then just it's eroding this area, and it is used to preventing the biophysical structure being constructed to recover this land. Look at this upstream. Here is the farmer's land. So you want to recover this land. It is standing just beyond the farmer's land. So you are just using to prevent this structure. This structure is this biophysical structure, which is economically very sound, which is not such costly like that of masonry structure. And this structure is just to prevent the what you call silt come from here, and then it is combining here, and it will be stored here, and then land will be recovered. It's fuel here, it fuel. Then after 30 years, the land will be restored. But to restore this land, first of all, you have to be just free this land, construct this area. Then the silt come here, and then it deposits around. Then it is recovering. Then after that, the plantation will be begin to just to keep the soil calm.